Hey guys, welcome back. So let's get started on the renovation edition of Smarter Not Harder. Maybe you've been in your home through COVID and want to finish an extra part of your house, redo the kitchen, add a bathroom, even do an extension or build a new home. This is gonna be the top 3 mistakes I see and the tips I can give you to ensure a smooth process from start to finish on your financing side. I'm James Lowen. Let's get your renovation going. This is Smarter Not Harder. Okay, so you want to get some renos going, right? You're about to go to the bank. What I want you to do is just shut the front door. Seriously, guys, do not go to your bank. Too many people just say too much. And although your intentions might have been great, the results are then usually lackluster. If you tell your bank that you're going to potentially change structural parts of your home, tear down your house, or do an addition, just the fact you said you might do it, it's gonna probably put you into what's called a construction loan, which means you now are into draws, you need inspectors, you're gonna have multiple lawyer fees involved. It just becomes quite an arduous process. Please come to us. That's what we're here for. Let us be your filter and ensuring that what's said and what's required to be said is just that. Number 2, no shovel in the ground until the money's in your bank account. Okay? Don't start the renovations until you have the full amount of funds available to complete. Too often what I find is people mid-renovations run out of money, and then 2 things will happen. 1, the bank won't refinance you because your kitchen is ripped apart. And then 2, the other issue is it can take up to 6 weeks to complete a refinance. That's 6 weeks of having to cook on a hot plate and potentially peeing outside in the middle of winter. The last one, and probably the most important one, is overestimate. On both fronts, I want you to overestimate on the budget. Take whatever budget you think it's gonna cost and then add 20%. And then add another 20% on top of that. The next one is making sure you overestimate on time. Whatever the time frame you think it's gonna take you to do, double it. That way you're accounting for issues on product supply, on labor, on COVID, on weather, whatever it might be, just overestimate. Guys, these are the top 3 secrets. You're gonna have a fantastic, successful renovation. I'm James Lowen, and now your budget's not getting blown. This is Smarter Not Harder.